So you guys know polling escalates between Umkhonto Wesizwe and EFF leader. The mud is dangling between Umkhonto Wesizwe and national organizer Floyd Shivambu and EFF leaders has reached new heights. The recent spat was ignited by an interview where the former EFF deputy president discussed his relationship with EFF president Jacob Julius Malema rather after leaving the party for Umkhonto Wesizwe. Floyd told Dr. Susan of Walsh on his podcast SMWX that his relationship with Malema was purely political and remains political. He also claimed that most EFF leaders, including officials, were aware of his move to Umkhonto Wesizwe. However, this has irked EFF members who now accuse Floyd of betraying Malema. EFF communications manager Julius said Floyd is in the right place now. They flock together. That guy is a personification of evil. Now, Elisha questioned the timing of Floyd's interview, noting it came soon after another former EFF member, Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane, announced her resignation on the same platform. She labeled Floyd's interview as nonsensical. But a person I know for sure is not quite fazed by these developments is our president, because if there's one thing he always teaches us is not to constantly imagine the worst, no matter how crazy it is, so that you are always prepared for it. And if it happens, and when it happens, rather, said Elisha. Floyd maintained that his statements in the interview were truthful. Everything I said in that interview is 100% correct. I am a truthful student of Amika Caliber, who says, hide nothing from the masses of our people, tell no lies, expose lies whenever they are told, mask no difficulties, mistakes, failures, claim no easy victories, said Floyd. Central Command team member and former EFF Secretary General Godrich Gordy denied knowing or suspecting that Floyd was going to resign from the party. He said he would have informed Malema, the secretary of the party, and CCT members to give them a heads up, even if he thought it was a joke. Gordy cautioned Floyd about his comment that most knew about his departure, saying it is dangerous and it threatens the EFF safety. Ground forces will never trust us and may rather beat us for knowing and not talking. CIC and the organization into confidence. You have left a dark cloud on our head and painted us with the same brush. Forever we shall smell. Tell their names, said Gardi. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you subscribed if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely see you in the next. Bye.